Hi there, welcome to our channel, and if you want to turn on spell check on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to settings. Now scroll down and here you'll find general management, where you just need to tap on this Samsung keyboard settings, where you will find the writing assist. Tap on it and turn on the writing assist on your device for your keyboard, Samsung keyboard, and it will help you to assist you with writing, and it will improve your writing skills, and if it will improve your all the writings with the help of AI. So AI will help you out in this section, and you can also go with this suggest text corrections and select the language for the text corrections, and it will correct your it will suggest you the correct text for your or your fault spell on your text or on your messages. Then you can go to the more typing options, where you can turn on this multi-language text predictions, and that's all the settings that can help you to check the spell and correct the spell on your Samsung keyboard. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.